Alright guys, so this is the final product after using for first time drying it with this dry machine. So I definitely have a lot of thoughts on this because I feel that it definitely have some changes, and then you have some of this stuff that really comes up, but this print come out really nice. I did some modifications where the original print doesn't have a hole in the eye. I just want to kind of like put a light inside, and we still have a lot of the stuff that need to be cleaned, but other than that it turned out really nice. So here's the results. Even in the back, I know I had to do some adjustments on my slicer, so I don't have this, but I'm still learning. But at the same time, I think it turned out really nice. And as you see, even with my Terminator print, I still have the line in the back, which again I just gotta figure it out in the slicer. But so you can see actually the size, different size. So on this one I definitely went kind of big, but this one I just want to try with that dryer, and it definitely see some difference, but not really much. I guess definitely depends what filament you getting or where you getting from, and if it's can really seal and dry before you actually put on the and you 3D printer. But I mean, I don't see much difference because this one was just no dry straight up into the machine. But I don't know, kind of happy with this one. The results are very nice. Like, barely see any craziness in it. Like, I barely see any lines of the print, and I can definitely clean this after and make it look more nicer. But that's it guys. If you like this video, please help me up and subscribe, and hopefully you like this. And if you have more questions about this product, leave a comment, and I'll let you know how it's working out for me. Right now I haven't have it drying up TPU, so it's gonna be our next project. So thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day.